Hey, it's bro B. Boozing time, baby. Oh yeah. As you can see, it's time for Boozy Roulette, y'all. Let's go. Let's do this. All right, so first we're gonna start off with the liquor wheel. All right, y'all. So you get to see where it lands first, y'all. So let's see, y'all. What liquor is it gonna be? Oh yeah. All right, let's check it out. Hennessy. Uh-oh, that Henny. Yeah, yeah. All right. So it's gonna be Hennessy. Let's see what we're gonna mix it with, y'all. All right, now it's time to find out what we're gonna mix that Henny with. Let's go. Y'all get to see it first, where it lands, where is it going. Okay, let's see. Hennessy with that Warhead sour peach, y'all. Nice. Hennessy and anything peach tastes bomb, but I have a feeling this might taste really, really good, y'all. Some sour and some peach flavor with that Henny. Oh yeah, I'm hyped to find out, y'all. Let's do this. Let's go. Oh, right, now it's time to pour in that Henny. Oh, now it's time to hit it with this Warheads peach soda, y'all. I haven't tried this one yet. The apple one was bomb, so I'm hyped to find out, y'all. I think this is gonna be bomb. I think I'm gonna like it, y'all. Okay, smells like peach. Not as a strong taste of peach. I mean, not as a strong smell of peach, but it still smells like peach. All right, but it's gotta be sour, so now it's time to mix this up. This is actually one I really wanted to try together, so I'm happy I got the combination for this, y'all. I figured Hennessy with any of the sour ones would be bomb, but the peach, damn, I'm hyped to find out, y'all. Let's find out. Does Hennessy and Warheads peach soda taste good, y'all? Let's go. Damn, that's fire, y'all. That's actually really, really good. Wow. That's a good mix, y'all. Wow. I could drink this again. You get a little bit of that sour with the Henny and then the peach. It's a good combination, y'all. Of course, if you don't like anything sour, you're not gonna like this. I mean, let's be real, it's a sour soda. So I haven't first time trying this, so let me try it by itself. Wow. I was expecting more of like an artificial peach flavor, but that tastes just like almost tastes like the fruit itself, y'all. You got the fruit taste, then you got the artificial taste. But wow, this is damn near close. I don't know if I would like the other taste better than this one, but this is still good, y'all. So on the old scale, the bro scale, I'm gonna give this a 7.5, y'all. This is fire. This is actually really, really good. I would drink this again, and I would definitely recommend it to somebody that loves the Hennessy and loves peach, y'all. You get hit with the Henny, then the peach, and then at the end, you get hit with that sour tartness. I think it's delicious, y'all. So try this out. Let me know what y'all think. Is this something you would drink? Is this something you would like? All right, y'all, to the next video. Oh, yeah.